Prabhupada says very nicely. He says, the devotees, they dance with the Lord. They're dancing in Krishna's Rasalila. And then there are people in this world, they're also dancing. All pub and bar, without drinking, they don't dance. They all drink and they are dancing. Okay? So one is dancing in the material world and all the sinful activities, and with a pure pleasure. People are now most fortunate people like the great Acharya, they are dancing with Krishna in Rasa Leela, and obnoxious sinful activity in this world, they're taking drugs. They take drugs, they take liquor, and they are dancing with their girlfriends in the metal world, one side or a side. The Mayavadis are very interesting. They are dancing alone. Pagal आदमी, पागल आदमी अकेला डांस करता है, correct? You understand? मायावादी इसका सिचुएशन देखो क्या बड़ा अकेले नाच रहे. That is their life. Foolish, stupid.